Good morning, Year 3s. Today we are going to learn about how to solve column addition. So to solve the column addition, we need to follow few steps. Here you go. Number 1. Write out an expanded column addition by writing the partition numbers vertically in columns. Then add ones. The third step. Write answer under the line in the ones column. Add tens. Number 5 step. Write answer under the line in the tens column. Number 6 step. Add hundreds. 7th step. Write answer under the line in the hundreds column. Number 8. Add answers. In the 9 steps, we need to write our final answer. And number 10. Check, is each stage correct or not? To make you understand better, I'm going to show you an example and then you will see how I'm going to follow all those steps. For example, 596 plus 48 plus 72. How we are going to solve this using expanded column method? Here you go. The first number, 596, is 3-digit number. Now, I will write 596 in expanded form. That will be 500 plus 90 plus 6. Next number is 48. That is 2-digit number. So value of 8 in 48 is 8 ones. Value of 4 in 48 is 4 tens. So I'm going to write 40 at the place of tens and 8 at the place of ones. Again for 72, third number, 72. Same. 72 is also 2-digit number. And the value of 2 in 72 is 2 ones. Value of 7 in 72 is 7 tens. So, I'm going to write 70 at the place of tens column and 2 at the place of ones column. Ones place, this is tens place, and this is 100 place. So we have 3 columns. Ones, tens, and 100. So I did my first step. I have written the partition number vertically in columns. So this is ones column, this is tens column, and this is 100th column. So my first step is done. Now I will move to my second step, that is add ones. So I need to add the ones digit number, that is 6 plus 8 plus 2. 6 plus 8 plus 2 will be 16. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to write 16 answer under the line in the ones column. So I have written the answer 16 in ones column. Further moving toward my tens now. I'm going to add all these tens. That is 90 plus 40 plus 70. 90 plus 40 plus 70 is 200. I'm done with my step 4, and step 5 is I need to write answer under the line in the tens column. So I have written my answer 200 under the tens column. Now, moving towards my step number 6, I need to add hundreds. There is no number. 500 is all alone. So nothing is there to add. So I will write 500 as it is. And that I'm going to write 500 under the lines in hundreds column. Moving towards my next step, I will add my answer, that is 500 plus 200 plus 16. That will be 716. 500 plus 200 is 700, and 700 plus 16 is 716. So this is my ninth step. The most important step is step 10. Check, is each stage correct? So again we need to check our answer to see whether I have done any mistake or not. So what we are going to do? We have to check our answer. So I'm going to check my answer for the ones place again. 6 plus 8 plus 2 is 16, right? Now moving towards tens place. 90 plus 40 plus 70, that is 200. And then hundreds place, that is 500. So learners, don't forget to check your answer. If you're not going to check your answer, you might make mistakes. To avoid that mistake, you need to check your answers. In this addition, the ones total was bigger than number 10. Can you see the ones place answer is 16? That is more than 10. And the tens answer is bigger than 100. It is 200. Meaning, when we added the column total to get the final answer, the digit in both the tens and hundreds column increased. When we added 6 plus 8 plus 2, it's 16, which is more than 10, and 90 plus 40 plus 70, that is more than 100. This is for today. Hope you enjoy the lesson. Now, your teacher will give you further instruction. See you tomorrow. Bye. Happy learning.